Yes, so I don't see how they go now. Man City 5-0 Arsenal, and we get Oga Carl here with me today. We'll be like saying a very evangelistic Arsenal fan. And if you see Oga Carl face, he face not get joy. You understand? Based on waiting you see for that Arsenal team, not be waiting to make person smile. So, but Oga Carl, how you see this performance from Arsenal today? I know it's not be good one, but just tell me how you see them.
You know how you watch the game too. You understand? As it even be like
Yeah,
this, so
watch out.
we as Arsenal fan, we not even get what we want to talk again because na the same thing we dey talk every week since the season begin. You understand? Nothing come out of the game. We say we although to be very honest, I no expect us to win the game against City today. But the manner of which we take lose, they very very disgraceful for a team like Arsenal with so much reputation for England. They come, they give 5-0 with a red card. They did very very painful, because now we will be fine. We not even get voice again. We not fit talk about how the season won't be for us. We just dey look. We just dey look to see say okay maybe God go do am because only God will dey run up to right now because
I
even me
thought that in day.
I not believe the team. I not believe it. I not feel like for you. But we just dey watch. But what to do? Go dey support the goal because now the team we get to support. We just dey give our support the goal now. So the team just be my brother. You know.
All right, now no be lie. We don't hear from Oga Carl about how you see him. You understand? We know it's gonna be good day for Arsenal fans. Arsenal fans for some time now. They don't understand what they happen with the team. But Oga Carl, another thing where I want to point out now, the number of shots when Man City play for this game are about 19 to Arsenal 2.
Hmm.
And Arsenal possession are about 19 to 18% out of 100%. And this one now be the least possession where Arsenal don't get ever for a Premier League game. You
Hmm.
understand? Normally, everybody knows say Arsenal are a team where they play possession-based football. Okay, Carl, now what do you get to talk about this one now? This statistics where I just tell you.
Like I talked before, we no expect say with our current form, we no expect say we could beat Man City, but the manner of which we take lose, they very very embarrassing. Because over the years since since we are young come up for the team, we not going to see the beautiful football we dey. It can't be like say we don't lose our identity as a gunner. Because I remember that back then we dey even compare our play to Barcelona. Right now,
Don't
we
be
know
lying.
they just can't play game. We know they see the result. We know they see anything. You understand? It's very embarrassing to play a Premier League game and come out with only 2 shots, and the 2 shots will not be even on target because we don't see this kind of performance last season. That we get the same similar performance against Man City. We will get to leave. We will not even get shots for first half at all. So we're not going to really know. According to if you ask me, I foresee this the team not they passionate about enough to fight for the bad that they wear. Now the particular problem where they happen with that because if you see other teams like I not believe say even as even team like Brighton, they're not gonna give this kind of embarrassing performance against Man City because those players they go one fight for the badge at least. Even if they lose to Man City, we will know some a big team, but at least they go fight to at least make their system so they try. I'm not feel write anything about Arsenal today because they not even try. The performance was zero, possession was zero, the defense itself porous. They just did back there. According to the commentator for the game, come like saying a training game, maybe say Man City they play attack against defense because all of them just there our half. You know they even they fit see, but we know they fit do anything again. It's very, very embarrassing. But we'll not get anything we fit do.
All
So,
right, no be lie. We don't hear from Oga Carl about how you see the statistics matter. You understand? Oga Carl now, Arsenal don't play 3 games, 0 points, 0 goals. You understand? Now, how you see this Arsenal team, how you see Mikel Arteta. You believe say Mikel Arteta na still the right man for the work, or how you see the Mikel Arteta matter as the manager of this team now?
yesterday I be dey read one article for about Arsenal when they talk say the guy say Arteta not get better relationship with the players because some of the players they complain say the guy dey very bossy, which is not really good for the team because not even they indulge in players' ideas and tactics during a game. So I believe say Arteta, I don't know whether na because of say he come that time he just give us FA Cup, he come feel say he don arrive, but Arteta really get enough work to do, and I don't think say na him be the right man to lead Arsenal forward. Because if you say me we check our spending this summer, we don't spend better money, spend past many clubs for the league. But still, even the spending wey we don't spend, there's no difference between this season and last season players. The same squad wey we get now we still get. If you dey see am, we not even get anybody who feel from bench say okay, go fit come on the two come help the team. Nothing don't happen. So I believe say Ateta is not really the right man at all. Ateta not fit lead us. Ateta not fit lead us to even finish top 10 this season. To be very very honest, because he's not getting the
Okay.
tactics, not getting the plays right, and the players are not having that very close relationship with him. We get both on the field and back of the field problems. I would think affect
Problem. Hmm.
so really telling on the team. So I believe say Ateta not fit carry us going at all, at all. We
All
need
right
a
now, no be
actually, yeah.
okay, no be lie now, Oga Carl. You don't talk about how you see him and say you no believe say Ateta and I be the right man for the work. I want to still ask you, as an Arsenal fan, with this performance, we Arsenal don't think start this season. Now, how high you think say Arsenal will finish this season?
He had though. He had
Because
some
now I hear some people they say Arsenal fit even relegate self with this kind of form. But now, as an Arsenal fan, with what you they
um,
see, so tell me what you think say Arsenal will take finish, which position?
yeah. Currently with the kind of performance that we dey giving week in, week out, and if we see leave Arteta to dey in charge, we feel can dey struggle to finish above top 10. I would think I say am because na the same Arteta lead us wey we no even get anything to do with Europe again this season. So
Mm,
it's na the same
eight.
thing happen because nothing don really change from last season to despite the fact that the fact say you don't spend money, you don't bring in some new players, but nothing doesn't change with the performance and everything. So I believe say Arsenal now those kind of 11, 12 we go dey fight for this season. If we continue like this, that's why I just see am. That's why I see the thing.
Okay, now no be lie, Oga Carl. You don't talk how you see him. But real quick, before we go wrap up with this interview session with you, Oga Carl, I want to make we just do player rating. Make we start with Ben Leno. On a scale of 1 to 10, now what you go rate Ben Leno for this game?
I feel with Lennon he concede 5 goals, so I go just put him for 5.0.
5.0. Okay, what about Kieran Tierney?
And then I think put him above like 7.9 because now only him really perform for us today. No other player
Okay,
dey very astounding. The guy give you all
okay.
the stuff. That's what the team be.
All
Yeah.
right. So, what about Kolasinac?
Kolasinac try, but now see the same Kolasinac wey we know before. So I go rate Kolasinac 5.5.
Okay, Rob Holding and Chambers, what you go rate them?
Rob Holding 5.5, Chambers 5.5. The same.
Okay, Suarez.
Suarez. Suarez struck me today. Oh. Even some goals, sef. You get one the second goal as one of nine cause the goal wey they score. I feel rate am 5.0.
Okay, what about Bukayo Saka?
Saka try, but Saka not really live up to expectation today. I don't know whether they wait too heavy for am, so I go just give am 5.5 still.
Okay, Martin Odegaard.
Odegaard try, but no magic happen today. We no see anything. Na around 6, I go just give am based on number 10 wey him be.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what about Granit Xhaka and Emi Smith Rowe?
Jack or Monjaka, you see him, he not do anything. We not see performance. Although saying try, Jack, I'll give him 4.0.
Okay,
I think this Smith was
Smith Rowe.
4.0 based on he still try to do some kind of dazzling, but nothing work. No,
Okay,
yeah.
what about Obama Yang?
But me young man 5.0 I could give him. My captain, but he no lead us at all. He not do anything perform. He not even
Okay,
perform.
make we go to the substitute now. Eleni, Lacazette, and Ainsley.
All of them now 5.0 I could give all of them because not difference they bring to the team. They're not changing the team. They just did it. They hold the body. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. No magic. So not the same thing. That's what
All right now, God Carl, no be lie. We know say Arsenal no dey put smile for your face now. We hope say you go still enjoy the rest of your weekend. And after the international break, when Premier League start again, maybe Arsenal go come begin put smile for your face. All the
you.
best now, God Carl.
You.
You too
You.
much.
Go pros. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank
All
you.
right, you too much. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.
So much.